A rare opportunity in one of Ancaster's most sought-after rural areas, the picturesque Hamlet of Mineral Springs. This custom-built modern farmhouse is set on almost an acre, surrounded by nature, wildlife. We are just steps to the Dundas Valley Conservation hiking trails. Only 5 minutes to all amenities in downtown Ancaster, including the Hamilton Golf and Country Club, and we are just 15 minutes to McMaster. Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 1097 Mineral Springs Road. This beautiful 4-bedroom home offers over 5,000 square feet of finished living with 9-foot ceilings on the main level and expansive principal rooms for everyday living and entertaining. There's pine and maple wood flooring throughout, and a great room with built-in shelving and a wood-burning fireplace for character and warmth. This stunning updated farmhouse kitchen features quartz counters, stainless appliances, and Indian slate flooring. Upstairs, there are 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a private retreat with an electric fireplace, ensuite bath, a walk-in closet with laundry, and a private balcony overlooking the property. The fully finished lower level adds excellent recreation space for families, functional workspace, and plenty of storage. What truly sets this property apart is the heated 800 square foot workshop, fully equipped with hydro and water, offering incredible versatility for hobbyists, entrepreneurs, or as a teenage hangout.